Today I will take you to my garden where I have lot of plants, herbs, vegetables. This place is full of colors, fresh air and peace. My lilies are here too. My garden is very special to me because it makes me feel calm and happy. I will take you to my lilies. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Different Hues of Nature. I am Loveleen Singh. Hope you all are doing well. These are my lilies. Today I am going to tell you about lilies, how to take care of these plants. Lilies thrive in full sun. They require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight, but they can survive in partial shade too in hotter climates. It is so beautiful flower. Its scientific name is Lilium too. Now friends, let's talk about the soil of lily. They need well draining loose soil to prevent bulb rot. A mix containing peat moss and pertite is ideal. They are often planted in raised beds to ensure proper drainage. Now friends, let's talk about water, how much they water, how much water they require. Water lilies thoroughly only when the topsoil is dry. Don't overwater lilies, otherwise it can cause fungal issues also. Feed lilies every 2 weeks in a spring with the flowering plant fertilizer to encourage thicker blooms and stems. You can use liquid fertilizer 10-10-10 for heavy blooming. Friends, remove spent blooms to prevent seed pods from forming, which allows the plant to focus energy on the bulb. Leave the stem and foliage until it turns yellow and dies back naturally. This ensures the bulb stores energy for next year. Check for aphids, slugs, lily beetles. Treat them with insecticides or traps if it is required. So friends, if you find my video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your support keeps us going. Have a nice day friends. Bye bye. See you in my next video.